Mi nombre es Zen. También soy un androide.
Me parece algo absurdo, pero les enseñaré a los humanos lo hábil que puedo ser.
¡Mira qué bonito!
P is for priceless, the look upon your faces. E is for extinction, all your puny races. R for revolution, which will be televised. F is for how f***ed you are. Now allow me to reprise. E is for eccentric, just listen to my song. C is for completion that I've waited for so long. T is for the terror upon you I'll bestow. My name is Perfect Cell, and I'd like to say hello. Suddenly, life has a new meaning to me. There's beauty up above, and things we never take notice of. You wake up, and suddenly you're in love. E is for priceless, the look upon your faces. E is for extinction, all your puny races. R for revolution, which has been televised. F is for how f***ed you are. Now allow me to reply. Oh shit! And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full I've traveled each and every highway, but more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. The record shows I took the blow.